Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. I do handbag reviews and a little bit of everything. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe. So today I have a video and it's 7 handbags for fall. These are handbags that I collected in the past couple years, but 4 luxury designer handbags and are contemporary designers like Coach, Dooney & Burke, and Made. I'm going to start first by talking about the contemporary designer handbags. And my first one that I'm going to show you is transport tote in the medium size. This is a very classic bag from Madewell. It has a pocket outside and there's also like a little pouch inside. It has a zipper. This is very minimalistic. You can just use it like this. I saw that some people will wear like a little twilly over here. And I will do some measures for you guys, but let me give you the measurements on the transport tote. So this measures 12 inches high, 11 inches width, 5.5 depth. So this bag is really easy to carry, you know, very minimalistic, like I said. Just wear it, you know, it's like it really is like the Neverfull. You can just like put your stuff in here and you have no worries. Second contemporary handbag that I wanted to show you that you can get for fall and that I will recommend is the Coach Tabby Suede handbag. There is also a different size on this Tabby, but I will fall in love with this handbag because of the color, because of the material as well. I think a suede is a must for fall. I didn't want to invest that much on a suede bag because I'm very scared of getting it damaged or like stains. And yeah, one day I was cooking and I had a little oil spill in here. So that's when I thought, oh, thanks so much that, you know, I didn't spend too much on the handbag, but with a strap that you can use it as a shoulder bag, which I love. The hardware is gold hardware, like an antique gold, but not too bright, not too antique-y. It has a zipper in the back. The inside is just a big, I don't know, it has a zipper in here, a pocket. All right, so I will show you what it fits on here. And I have my medium pouch from Louis Vuitton, and it fits comfortably right here. 6 keyring holder, and still have a little bit of room, but I like it. I like this handbag. It looks so good when you wear it. I can picture myself wear this with boots, and I don't know, I cannot explain it, but I am so happy with this purchase. Let me give you the measurements on this bag. Measurements are 10.5 inches width, 6.5 inches high, 3.5 in depth. And the third contemporary handbag that I wanted to show you for fall handbag is the all-weather Dooney & Burke duck handbag. Oh my god, I love Dooney & Burke. I do own another one of these that's a bucket bag. And that was actually my first contemporary designer bag that I own in black. But then I used it so much that I decided to get this color. But I think this is a true classic. It doesn't fit too much. It just fits. It doesn't fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but it fits a little thing like this and a lipstick probably. See, that's it. It has this beautiful chain in here with the duck. It has a pocket in the back that I usually put my phone in here, but we just have to be careful because, you know, the phone might fall. The thing about Dooney & Burke is that they sell the detachable straps and are not that expensive as the other designer handbags. You know, it looks so nice. Like, it looks nice for like even the beach. Combine this with all my outfits in all the seasons, which I love. So you can, of course, you can remove the strap, and you can, if I have a shoulder strap that I would like to, you know, get, I can also attach it. So those are the contemporary designer handbags. And now I'm going to show you the luxury handbag I recommend you for fall. And the first one that I will share with you is the Chloe Fringe handbag in the tan color. This is my little lion. I do have a full review on this handbag on my channel. This is a classic. It's a Marcy bag from Chloe. It has it has one pocket over here, and the inside is a big hole. It comes with a long strap to use it as a shoulder handbag. Let me see. It has one zipper and a little pocket in here, and then pretty much it's just a one empty hole. You know, keeping in mind that this is a heavy bag because of the leather, and you know, a long time ago we used to wear like very heavy and big bags, but now since the pandemic happened, I just feel like, you know, we all use crossbodies and smaller handbags, but still I think this is a classic. This is in the medium size. There is also a large size, and there is also a mini size. A mini size is so cute, but the only thing is when I tried on the mini ones, it was really hard to close and open, so I didn't like that. And yeah, I ended up choosing this, that I will probably just use it as in the wrist, or maybe on my shoulder, but it's so beautiful and I think it's so classic. The second luxury designer handbag that I'm going to show you for fall, it's going to be Suede Matisse in the reverse canvas. Oh my god. Okay, so I first got the Suede Matisse in the monogram canvas long time ago, probably in the 2017. I ended up selling it because I like this one. I like the reverse. I didn't know if I was gonna like it more than the monogram, but then something was telling me inside of me, Sylvia, get it because you always wanted to get it. So I got it, and then I sold my monogram, and I used the monogram so much, but I was worried about the vachetta getting darker. After I sold it and I got this one, I noticed that I don't use this as much as the monogram. So if you are in doubt and you think which one should I get, I think the monogram, you can mix it with more outfits. It's easier to just, you know, combine it, but at the same time, this will give you a worry-free of going out when it's raining. All right, so I also have a full review on my Suede Matisse, but in one of my videos, so if you would like, you can browse that. It has a zipper in the back. All right, the inside's clean. It has two compartments, actually 1, 2, 3 compartments. All right, this has a chip in it. I don't know, because I have to see if I will sell this bag because I do not use it. I tried to, but it has like the sticker and everything, but I don't know. I love the strap though. The strap is beautiful. I think the handbag itself is so beautiful, but I think I use the monogram more. But yeah, this is definitely a piece that's very classic and something very trendy and a perfect bag for fall. So the third bag that I would like to share with you for fall is a Gucci Ophelia bucket bag. So this is a new addition to my collection. I first owned a Gucci Supreme mini, but it was like a really a rectangle, but it was very small, and it fit my essential. It fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but still I thought it was a little bit smaller than the size that I needed it. For those who follow me know that for summer I got a Prada bucket bag, and I used it so much and I fell in love with it, and I wanted to have a Ophelia in my collection since I sold my Supreme, you know, mini one. So I decided to get the bucket bag, and it's so simple, but it looks so nice. It has, I mean, the convenience of having a bucket bag. For me, it's like everything. I really use it all the time. You can use it as a, you know, as a handheld, or sorry, you can use it as in your wrist, or you can use it as a handheld, or you can use it as a crossbody. And I think it's the perfect size. Oh, this is in the medium size. There is also a mini one, but let me give you the measurements. So this is 9 inches high and 12 inches width and 4.5 in depth. It has 1, 2, 3 little pockets inside. And this is basically a bucket that you can just like throw your stuff, and it's so convenient. This is a carefree bag. I use it, and I think for fall it will look so good. And the thing with luxury handbags, you know, if you're paying for it, like you want to use it, right? So I think this can be a very good addition to your collection. And the last handbag that I would like to show you and recommend you, it's the Ysl Median Lulu bag. I was afraid of getting a suede and getting it dirty. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the leather one because you know, it's going to be easier to clean. And I love this bag. I love this bag. I love the size. This is a medium size. I think the small one, it's also a good size because it's not too big. But for me and for my lifestyle, since I already have mini ones, I think this medium size was good for me. And this is in the natural color they brought for fall. It's very, I don't know, elegant. It has 1, 2 compartments and a little zipper in the middle. It also a zipper in here too. It doesn't have a back pocket, and you guys probably know that the Lulu doesn't have a back pocket. I was doubting between this one and the suede one, and also the puffer bag, because I love the puffer, but I would love to get the puffer bag in red. I think it looks so nice. But I think this bag is gorgeous for all. I am trying to not get black handbags just because I do not tend to wear that much black, and I think I'm just going to like sell my handbags. Thinking about that, don't forget to browse my Poshmark account. I will link my Poshmark account below, but it's harulove. And if you guys want to browse or would like to contact me via Instagram, let me know. Do some mug shots for you guys. Keep in mind that the Lulu, the Marcy bags are heavy bags because of the leather and because of the size. So if I will recommend you to pick two, one of them will be the Poshmark and the Ophelia bucket bag. Any bucket bag, I think it's going to be so useful for you guys. Carry your stuff, and at the end, you're gonna feel that, you know, you pay for what it was worth it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for those who follow me, and you know, don't forget to look for me on Instagram account as Bag Love and Style. This video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.